Hi there. Welcome back to one of our most loved tools, Below Market Value, or BMV for short. This is where smart investors find amazing property deals cheaper than what similar properties are selling for. In this short video, I'll show you how to use this tool step by step with a real example. First, click on Below Market Value on the left-hand menu. At the top, you'll see filters like area, price, property type, bedrooms, and more. You can use these to find the type of deal you're looking for. On the right side, there's also a sort by menu. You can sort by highest return on investment, biggest savings, newest listings, oldest listings. Pick whatever suits you best. Now, let's look at a real example. I'm picking this one bedroom flat at 111 Ploughman Close, London, N18 1XB. It's listed for £165,000. Now look at this. The average area price for similar properties is £207,000. That means this one is about £42,000 cheaper, or nearly 26% below market value. That's a big savings. Let's see how we know that. Click on the Property Comparables tab. You can see the average sold area price is £207,000. This shows you what similar homes nearby have actually sold for. We use smart AI to work this out for you. Please look at these real examples. 126 Wigson Close sold for £203,000. 19 Weir Hill Avenue sold for £220,000. 47 Allington Avenue sold for £240,000. So yes, this property really is a bargain. Let's check what similar homes are currently for sale at on market comparables below. You can see the average asking price of a property in this area is £209,000. See the actual similar properties for sale on property portals. 54 Ploughman Close is selling for £219,000. 194 Ploughman Close is selling for £210,000, and Stantham Grove is selling for £190,000. Again, this property we are looking at is £165,000, which is way cheaper than others nearby. Want to know what you could earn in rent? We also have rental comparables. Scroll down to see the rental comparables. This shows what similar homes in the area are renting for. Great if you're planning to let it out. Now, go back to the details page and click on the Sold in Street tab. This shows what other homes in the same street have sold for. Super helpful to get the full picture. One more important thing, check the property highlights and key tags on the listing. This property has a short lease, 66 years left. That's probably why the price is so low. But don't worry, our AI helps spot things like this so you don't miss them and you're aware of it. Some investors love short leases because they can negotiate a better deal and extend the lease later. It could be a smart opportunity if it fits your plan. Also, this property has no chain, so it could move quickly. Deals like this go fast, so if you find one you like, don't wait too long. But always double check the numbers. You can use our deal calculator or download the full report to go through everything in detail. After finding a good deal, don't forget to add it to your deal funnel for future reference and deal closing. At PropMarker, we use smart AI, data, and real market info to help you spot real below market value deals quickly and with confidence. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos too. We've got guides on every section, and if you have any question, call us at 0207 096 1320. We're always happy to help. Happy deal hunting.